Hi guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. Uh, how to disable news notifications. All you have to do just go down, click here in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on news. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just come to push here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean here push notifications is disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching.